Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. On our channel I have shown you many types of idli dosa batter recipes. But today what I am going to show you is a very simple and easy one-step process to make a batter for idli, dosa, Uthappam, Paniyaram, Thatta idli. Many of these recipes I will be showing you in my upcoming videos. So come, let's see how to make this batter. For this I have taken 1 cup of idli rice. This is the short grained idli rice. For 1 cup of idli rice, I have taken 1/4 cup of Urad dal. Preferably the whole Urad, if you get, you can add. This is 1 tablespoon of Poha or Aval, that is rice flakes, and 1 teaspoon of Methi seeds. Now we will wash all these together very well. Now soak this washed rice and dal. I have taken 2 cups of water. Now cover it and keep it aside for minimum 3 hours. It is 3 hours now. Our rice and dals have soaked well. So we will switch on the grinder. Now after about 5 minutes, you just add the water in which it was soaked, add it little at a time and continue grinding. While it is grinding, in between you can just switch it off for a second and scrape the sides. And again start grinding. I am adding the remaining water now. It is 15 minutes now. We have switched off the grinder. Just check the batter. See, it should be smooth, just slightly coarse, like a little bit like semolina or rava, like fine rava. That's all. Don't make it very coarse. We will now remove the batter into this bowl. See, we have removed the batter into this container. Now I am just going to add a little bit of water more to remove all the remaining batter. You can add another 1/4 cup. See, this way it becomes easier to clean the grinder also. And now we can remove whatever is there in this container and pour it into our bowl. Now add a teaspoon of salt to this batter and mix it well with your hands. See that your batter is not very flowing. Keep it a little thick. It should not be extremely thick also. This is the right consistency for the batter. The batter is ready. Now just cover it with a plate and keep it aside to ferment overnight or for minimum 8 hours. Let's have a look at the batter now. See, it has fermented very well and risen up also. I can show you. See, can you see how well it has fermented? Now this batter we can use for making all our preparations. Why do I call this one-step process? Normally we soak the rice separately and the urad dal and methi separately, then grind each one separately and then mix. Here I am soaking all the ingredients together at one time, grinding also together at one time. So a lot of time is saved, your grinding time is saved, your work finishes in just 15 minutes and also the effort also is less. So definitely try out this method. Many of you might ask me a question, Geeta, the process is very simple and easy, but I don't have a wet grinder as you have used. Can I use the same process using my mixie itself? Definitely you can. Follow the same measurements, soak everything together and grind it in a mixie. Don't add too much water and your batter is ready for use for all your different idli dosa varieties. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.